Hi everyone, this is Mahesh, School Assistant Mathematics from ZPHS Bhupathipur. Today we are going to discuss topic real numbers. Before that, we have to know the type of numbers. Okay, first type is natural numbers. Natural numbers are denoted by capital N. So these numbers are also called as counting numbers. These natural numbers are starting from 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay. So next type of numbers is whole numbers. Whole numbers are denoted by capital W. Capital W. Okay. In this whole numbers are starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay. Next that means natural numbers are including with 0 are also called as whole numbers. Okay. Next, integers. Integers are denoted by Z. Okay, or capital I is equal to. So in these integers, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, and also negative numbers also present in these integers. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3 are called as positive integers, and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 are also called as negative integers. Okay. 0 is neither positive integer nor negative integer. So this is also called written as Z is equal to Z minus union 0 union Z plus. That means it is the negative integers, positive integers including with 0. These are called integers. Okay. Next type of numbers is rational numbers. Rational numbers are denoted by capital Q. So what is rational number? Rational number means every number can be expressed as P by Q form, where P and Q are integers. They are belongs to integers, and the denominator Q must be not equal to 0. So these are called rational numbers. For example, 1 by 2 and 3 by 5, so minus 3 by 2 are the examples of rational numbers. Next, irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are denoted by Q dash. So, irrational number means a number which is not real rational number is called irrational numbers. A number and also a number which cannot be expressed as P by Q form. That numbers are called irrational number. For example, root 2, root 3 and pi. Generally we are taking pi is equal to 22 by 7. But it is not rational number. Pi is equal to 22 by 7, but it is not rational number because pi value is 3.14 something. Actually pi value is 3.14 so on. So that's why this is non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. So that's why pi is irrational. Okay. But we are taking pi value 22 by 7. This is approximate value. This is the approximate value. But it is not exactly value. So that's why we are taking pi value is irrational number. Okay. So next to real numbers. Real numbers means the union of rational numbers and irrational numbers is called real numbers. That means in real numbers there are rational numbers present and irrational numbers also present. For example, root 2 is an irrational number. So root 2 is also real number. Okay. Next to 3 by 2 is a rational number. So 3 by 2 is also real number. Okay. Minus 5 is an integer. So minus 5 is also real number. So these are all real numbers. In these real numbers, there are natural numbers present and whole numbers also present, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers all present in the real numbers. Today's our topic is real numbers. Okay. So, my 10th class Euclid Division Lemma. Before that, Euclid Division Lemma division algorithm concept. What is division algorithm? Okay. I have to take one example. 11 is divided by 2. So 2 5s are 10. Remainder is 1. So it can be written as 11 is equal to 2 into 5 plus 1. 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11. Okay. What is 11 here? Divided. What is 2? Divisor. It is 5 quotient. What is the remainder is 1. So here dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So 2 5 are 10, 10 plus 1 11. So LHS is equal to RHS. So this is called a division algorithm. Another example, 17 is divided by 3. 3 5 are 15. Remainder is 2. So 17 can be written as 3 into 5 plus 2. 3 5 are 15, 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. So 17 is divided, 3 is divisor, 5 is quotient, 2 is the remainder. So dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is called as division algorithm. Okay. So దీన్ని యూజ్ చేసుకొని సేమ్ మన 10th క్లాస్ లో యూక్లిడ్ డివిజన్ లెమ్మా అనే కాన్సెప్ట్ ఉంది. సో ఆ యూక్లిడ్ డివిజన్ లెమ్మాని మనం ఈ డివిజన్ algorithm కు అప్లై చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే. వాట్ ఈస్ యూక్లిడ్ డివిజన్ లెమ్మా? Okay, we are taking any two positive integers. Okay, a and b are any two positive integers. But one condition here: a is greater than b. A is always greater than b. Then there exist unique integers q and r. Okay, these are the new numbers q and r exist such that a is equal to bq plus r, where 0 less than or equal to r less than b. This means that r is always equal to 0 or greater than 0 and less than b. B is what here? B is the divisor, a is dividend, q is quotient, r is the remainder. Okay, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. A is equal to bq plus r. It is same as division algorithm. Division algorithm కొంచెం ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేసి దీన్ని యూక్లిడ్ డివిజన్ లెమ్మాగా దీన్ని మనం రాసుకుంటాం. సో a is equal to bq plus r అంటే a అనేది ఇక్కడ ఇందులో డివైడెండ్, b is divisor, q is quotient, r is remainder. సో మనం ఎప్పుడైనా డివిజన్ చేసేటప్పుడు రిమైండర్ అనేది is always less than the divisor. Okay, here 2 is the remainder, 3 is the divisor. So 2 is less than the divisor. Okay, so here now we are taking one example. A is equal to 14, b is equal to 3. 14 is greater than 3. Condition here. So 14 is greater than 3. Now 14 is divided by 3. So what is 3 4s are 12. Remainder ఎంత వస్తుంది? 2 వస్తుంది. ఓకే. సో దీన్ని నేను డివిజన్ ఆల్గరిథం టైప్ రాస్తున్నాను చూడండి. a is equal to 14, b is equal to 3 తీసుకున్నప్పుడు divided what is here? 14. Divisor is 3. So now we get quotient and remainders 4 and 2. So 14 is equal to 3 into 4 plus 2. Here what is q? Quotient 4. What is remainder? 2. So this is the Euclid division lemma. Okay? The meaning ఏంటంటే ఏవైనా 2 integers ని మనం తీసుకొని అందులో ఒక ఒకదాన్ని బిగ్ నెంబర్ ని డివైడెడ్ స్మాల్ నెంబర్ ని డివైజర్ గా తీసుకొని ఆ బిగ్ నెంబర్ స్మాల్ నెంబర్ తో డివైడ్ చేసినప్పుడు కంపల్సరీ మనకు 2 న్యూ ఇంటీజర్స్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్, యూనిక్ ఇంటీజర్స్. ఓకే. సో here in this example 4 and 2 are the 4 is the quotient and 2 is the remainder. Okay, so this is the Euclid division lemma. Let us take another example. Here a is equal to 23, b is equal to 4. Now here 23 is greater than 4. So we are taking 23 is the dividend, 4 is the divisor. So 23 is divided by 4, we get quotient is 5 and remainder is 3. Okay, 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 3, 23. So here what is quotient? 5. And what is remainder? 3. Okay, now we are finding new integers 5 and 3. Okay, and we have to see another example. A is equal to 50, b is equal to 5. So here 50 is greater than 5. So 50 is taking as divided, 5 is divisor. So 50 is equal to 5 times are 50. 5 times are 50, remainder is nothing. So remainder is 0. So now we get quotient is 10, remainder is 0.